all I'm saying is you guys have been sleeping on these suction cups. If you haven't gotten yourself these kind of suction cups, right, and you keep using these suction cups, just give it up already. Like, I mean, why do you keep putting yourself in so much pain? Like, why? I'm telling you, these, you get to apply as much pressure as you want. You can put the suction on, take the suction off. Look at that. I just suction here. Look at that. Suction. Stop using those other suction cups from whoever.